don't promote the violence I done been through.
Hey guys, Zep Productions here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Sauer M17 Airgun. This is a pellet pistol powered by CO2. It's officially licensed by SIG. This was $130 on Amazon. Link down in the description below for the best price. This is made in Japan. Sauer branding all around the box. I really like how these boxes look. Here's a little warning logo telling you that this is not a toy and you can seriously injure yourself or someone else with it if you're not careful. Here's a diagram on the back, little skeletal blueprint. 177 caliber pellet, CO2, 20 round mag, 4.6 inch barrel, 8 inch overall length. Has a blowback slide, semi-auto, 2.21 pound weight, 300 FPS. And it's in a cardboard box. Authentic weight, balance, and handling. Here's a little instruction booklet with warning on here. Not going to really read through that, but you probably should. And here's the gun itself. It looks really, really nice. It has great weight to it. We'll take a look at this in a second, but it looks very nice. The finish is perfect. Good grip on it too. Yeah, let's put that aside for now. Inside the box we have the mag, which holds 20 pellets. So this mag actually extends outside the actual mag well, and it looks like you have 2 extra rounds down there, which looks pretty nice and has an extended clip look. SIG logo on the bottom. Coyote tan on the bottom too. And the way you pull this out is there's a button on the side, which I soon discover, but this is how you put CO2. You take that lever down, put the CO2 cartridge in, and snap that down. Very tight, secure fit that way. And you also don't need any tools. And here's the button I just discovered to pop out the mag. Press it, it pops right out, spring loaded. Have it at an angle and it can literally go flying. But here it says how you open it. Use 2 fingers, grasp around, and just flick it open. And here's your little belt style mag. It rotates. Get your 20 pellets in there. At the top you can see that's the hole for the 1 pellet that's going at a time. Kind of like a revolver style. Yeah, that's pretty neat. And it just snaps back into place. And there it goes flying. Here I was putting it in the wrong way. And there, yeah, that's pretty neat. Now let's move on to the gun itself. So this is a very, very nice looking gun. I'm surprised it's not FDE, which is flat dark earth, but rather coyote. Not really sure what the difference is, but I feel like this is a more vibrant color. And the mag, really, you gotta position it correctly, but snaps in nicely. And what I really don't like is it does feel solid, but it feels like there's a lot of rattling plastic parts inside. Full metal slide, as you can see, it goes back. And here's a little button to release your mag. It's also pretty nice. But there's just something unsatisfying about putting the mag in. I don't know what it is. And here's your ambidextrous safety. Little red dot signifying that it is unsafe. A lot of people use the term red is dead. That helps you remember. On this side there's no red dot and there's no S for safety. Here's a little warning. I wish that wasn't there. Made in Japan. SIG Sauer. Really nice grip on this gun. Picatinny rail to put a laser or flashlight. Internal hammer, which is striker fired. And here are the really nice sights on here. That's the end. And it has a little beaver tail design, as you can see in the back, so you don't get bit by the slide as it cocks back. Here's at the end of the barrel, and I'll zoom in. Zoomed a little too out. And yeah, it's a pretty solid pistol. Here's just another look at it. I recorded this one a little bit after that one because I wanted to just do another one. I'll voice over this as well. But this is a higher quality video. It says Sig Sauer, and this is better lighting too. Sig logo on the bottom as we covered earlier. Here's your magazine. Push the button to take it out. I like how they made it because now you can buy more of the belt mags instead of having to buy the whole magazine. And here's just another look at everything. I do not shoot the gun in this video because, first of all, I don't have any pellets, which I apologize for, and I don't really have a place to shoot this. But yeah, that's that. Pretty neat. I like how it just springs out. I don't know why I find that funny, but it's pretty neat. Here's your CO2 place. Put some Pellet oil, drop that in. Snap that in. Sig Sauer M17. This gun is just so official looking. The real version of this is $700, which is actually pretty surprising. That's not that bad. That's actually a good price for a gun that's that solid. But yeah, this would have been a really nice BB gun, and the only thing really holding it back for me is how it just feels unsatisfying, how everything is not just like tight and locked into place. It just doesn't feel solid. And here's your takedown lever. As you guys can see, ambidextrous safety on the other side. I really like how this gun looks under this lighting. And this is all recorded in 4K. So that's pretty nice. But I really wish this was a better gun. And the trigger is weird because it's like a double action. And it's really like mushy, I guess you could say. Picatinny rail down here. I wanted to get a laser for this too. And see if they made a holster for this. That would have been nice. But I am returning this gun because it just does not meet up to the standards for me. Now, granted, I do have a Glock that has a really rattly slide, but the grip on the Glock is really nice and it just fits perfectly in my hands. And a Glock is a Glock. Like I say, they're like the G-Wagons of, it's the G-Wagon of guns. Because it's solid, it's classy, everyone wants one, everyone has one. It's like the pinnacle of guns, basically. A lot of people might hate me for this, but that's just, I don't know. It's just something about Glocks. Glocks are literally the most popular pistol in the world. I think I'm safe to say that because not only does law enforcement use them, but it's just the most well-known gun out there. Some people literally, you know how, for example, like chapstick, like lip balm, nobody really says lip balm, they say chapstick. Even if it's not a chapstick, even if like the lip balm is made by Burt's Bees, it's just the brand name has become a name for the object itself. So instead of saying pistol, someone might say Glock. I don't know, but that's that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.